Marie, Mr. Wright is out there somewhere. Phil, keep using the ointment until that thing goes away. I wish you all the best. Thank you all so much.
I'm welling up with tears. Now get off.